Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am doing well. I welcome you to an interesting video. Let's see what things are we gonna make and what new things are we gonna learn today. So here in this video, you have to get your sketch pens ready and all sort of colors and the crafting material to be prepared with all the things that we are gonna prepare here. So let's have a look and proceed in our picture. You have to get these shapes tackled in this manner and get your bookmarks yet ready to go. Now here you have to get these pretty things made and then you can just play with it. Isn't it amazing? Now here you have to get these sheets, make this craft get ready to go. You have to just make it even more beautiful and amazing. Now using the paint brushes, that too the thick one, you have to make the layers like this, arrange them in this pattern and this is gonna look yet pretty. Now here using the crayons, what are we gonna do? Using these oil pastel colors, you need to make this beautiful tree and then this pattern. This is yet amazing. You have to just shade them and this is gonna look pretty enough. Proceeding in this way, you have to get these colors and then spread it using these beautiful sketches and then you need to make these patterns. This is yet amazing, isn't it cool? Damn pretty. Now here over the sheet, what you have to do, you have to get these colors made like this, secure them up in this pattern and you have to make these layers. This is gonna look beautiful enough. Keep on proceeding. Now here what are we up to? You have to get these paint brushes, make the layers like this. You need to make the imprints and impressions in this manner and get them arranged in this way. This is gonna look beautiful enough. You have to just melt them up in this way and this is gonna look so pretty. Now here you have to get this coconut shell, get them colored in this way and this is gonna give you a 3D look. Now here with the help of these scales, you need to make the lines and all and make this pretty box, arrange them in this pattern and now here inside you need to make this one yet ready. Isn't it cool? You have to get this sheet and this is yet amazing. Keep on proceeding. Here you have to get these sheets, arrange them up, make the lines and all. You have to get the creases and folds like this. Further here, using this, you need to make some patterns over it in this manner, the pot and all. You have to make the leaves like this, arrange them in this pattern and this handling is gonna look beautiful enough. Proceeding in this way, you have to get these people made and then you need to make it in this manner, make the legs and all and then do it in this way. Pretty cool. Here using the cotton bud, you need to make the shadows like this and this is gonna look yet pretty, giving it a 3D look. Isn't it cool? Now here you have to get them beautifully arranged like this and get them beautifully made and then in this manner. This is yet amazing. Isn't it cool? I hope guys you have enjoyed watching our video. We'll be back with another exciting videos as well. Thank you.